Hello, I'm Ryan from Redapa, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a data table in SQLite and insert data into it. If you want to learn any more about SQLite or watch any other videos on this topic and future videos, check out the Redapa YouTube page in the playlist SQLite, or check out the Learning About Databases and SQL series on our website in the blog section. So to begin, I'm just going to open command prompt and the File Explorer just to make sure that we can see what's going on. So to create a table, first of all you need to open a database. So I'm going to open SQLite and then open, I'm going to use the example database that I've created. I'm going to check, and there we go. Those are the tables that are already in it. So to create a table, you use the create statement. So you can just do table. Yes. I should mention that I'm using an article from Quackit to show visually creating a table and inserting data into it. The link will be in the description of the YouTube channel or in the blog post text. So create table artists, and then I will write artist ID integer. This can be whatever you want. Text. There you go. Now we can check and see and make sure that the table was created. So all I have to do is type .tables. There you go. The table artist has been created. If you want to view the table details, you can type schema.schema and then table name, and you can see that. Now, if you want to insert data into this table that you just made, it's fairly simple too. We're just going to type insert, oops, my bad. We're going to type insert into the table name with the column name after it, and values, we're going to put Joe. Well, I'm just creating a name here. I'm going to put Joe E. There we go. Now, if you want to check and make sure that whatever you wanted to enter is entered in the table, all you have to do is select statement, star, which is everything, from the table name. Oops. And there we go. Joey is in the table. If you want to add in a different way and you don't want to call out the column name, you can do so too. You just have to make sure that for each column you put in the value. So instead of doing what we just did back there, I'm going to do insert into artists, oops, values, and I'm going to put null for the first one because the first column is that number sequence right there, and then Steve, I'm just creating a name here, Steve A, and then I'm just going to verify again that it worked. There you go, it worked. So this short video shows a quick guide of creating a table already in a database and inserting data into it. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.